In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon on Shopify. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in your browser tab next to your store name. It helps customers recognize your brand at a glance and makes your site look more polished and trustworthy. Before we start, have your favicon file ready. A square image works best, ideally a transparent PNG or an ICO file. Aim for a clear, simple design that stays recognizable at small sizes like 32 by 32 pixels or 48 by 48 pixels. First, open your browser and go to Shopify's website. On the homepage, click Login. Sign in using your email or any login method you've connected to your account. Once you're in the admin, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Online Store. This brings you to your themes area where you can work on how your storefront looks. Find your default theme and choose the option to edit it. In most cases, that means clicking Customize on the theme you're using. This opens the theme editor where you can change visual settings without touching code. On the left side of the editor, locate theme settings. This is where Shopify groups global design options that apply across your store. Inside theme settings, look for the section labeled Logo and Favicon. Open it and you'll see a dedicated spot for your favicon. Click to select your favicon from your files. If you've already uploaded the image to your Shopify files, you can pick it from your library. If not, upload it from your computer and select it. Keep an eye on how it previews. Even though it's small, contrast and simplicity matter. If the icon looks blurry or cramped, try a version with fewer details or a bolder outline. When you're happy with the selection, click Save. Saving applies the favicon to your theme. If you don't see the change right away in your browser, refresh the page, open a new tab, or clear your cache. Some browsers hold on to old icons for a bit, so it might take a moment to update. Also note, favicons are tied to the theme you're editing. If you're working on a draft theme, you'll only see the favicon live after that theme is published. That's it. Your Shopify store now has a clean, professional favicon. Remember, keep your icon simple, high contrast, and square for the best results. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded storefront.